Yeah, big papa, big dog, love my big honcho. Neck grab, choke slam, got the game on chokehold. I don't fuck with a hacker, she try to break the bro code. Don't you control her sanity while I drive her loco. She the top with the police and long enough to touch her ankles. I got niggas asking me, yo, low fight, what's the level? Told them I'm a loose cannon, I'm a fucking rebel. Oh, that was your girl, damn, she holding than them devil. Business got me feeling like I am a workaholic. They couldn't handle my spirit, now they all alcoholics. Hit after hit, all these rappers gon' need antibiotics. They know my lines doper than any other narcotic. I'm iconic, all you niggas cons, you're in it for the profit. I don't do body bags, I only deliver cops. Spreading like a cobra, all my verses got excessive toxins. Yellow for he and any dough, he like Johnson and Johnson. Yeah, he like Johnson and Johnson. I drop a track, now they dancing. Yeah, my life a blockbuster with a lot of action. I'm putting niggas in their places, that's some Uber action. I'm putting niggas in their places, that's some Uber